Okay, so we need to make a decision what we're going to compare at. Maybe we want to compare the price in Canadian dollars. So that means we're going to have to change the US price, and we're really asking how much. I'll start working soon. There it goes. We're really asking how much is the US $699 in Canadian dollars. And if we're wondering that, we set up our proportion. We want to find out how much it is in Canadian dollars, and we know it's 699 in US dollars. And given our exchange rate, we know that 1 Canadian dollar buys us only 75 cents US. So if we multiply both sides by 699, comes out to $932. And that's exactly it. So where's the better price?
Canada. We're awesome.
The US one is still a better price. Actually, this TV this morning, I made it so that they would be closer. 932 to 948 is pretty close. The TV was actually $998 in Canada, and on sale for $599 in the US. So it was significantly cheaper in the US.
Did you choose to figure out how much the US was in Canadian because they only showed the exchange rate for?
No, you could have done it the other way as well. So it didn't matter which way that just because it gave Canadian to US, I could change it the other way as well. If we changed it the other way, and when you do this on a quiz or a test, you get to choose whichever one you want. So if I decided I would look at everything in US dollars, then I need to know how much the $948 Canadian is in US. And if I set that up, I'd say I don't know how much that is in US, but I have 948 Canadian. I know that 1 Canadian is 0.75. Again, now the US would go on the top and the Canadian would go on the bottom because that's how I've set it up over here. And if you multiply 948 times 0.75, I get that this amount would be $711 US. So now when we're comparing in the US prices, the $699 is still the cheaper one, and we find out it's better to buy the model in the US. Either way you could do it. It just depends on how you set up your proportion, because whatever you're finding goes on the top, and then that would switch this on this side around.